Hi! In front of me is VIVO S17 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and tap on Bluetooth and Devices. Now tap on the gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature to activate it. And click on Bluetooth. Then select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now click on Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!